nwanyi iyeji na eze nwoke nchagbu ekele aha inugo maka eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu inugo maka eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ karaka mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu eze nwanyi iyeji eze nwoke nchagbu arusi dị nnekwu arusi nwere nsọ arusi na-achụ ndị amosu arusi na-eje ọrụ na-ejekwa igbo arusi na-ebuli elu arusi na-agba ọgụ ara na-azụ nwa oke mmụọ ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ ugochi tubelu oji eje ọkwa gị bụ mmụọ ugochi tubelu oji ala ugochi tubelu nọrọ ifite ugochi tubelu inugo maka eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu inugo maka eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu arusi eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu mmụọ karaka mmụọ nwere ngabasị arusi dị nnekwu eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu eze mmụọ chukwu nọnyelu mo okwefi Eze-Ana ugochi tubelu gwaru mo eze nwanyi iyeji na nchagbu na-eme mma mmụọ na-azọ ndụ n'ọzọrọ ya ndụ oke mmụọ ọtụtụ na-abịa kụrụ mba m nne nwanyi iyeji ogodo ọkwa gị na di gị nchagbu na-ejekọ.
Good morning viewers all over the world. Egwu nụrụ kịta bụ egwu Chinaza Adigbo onye egwu tiri mmụọ na temple a na-akpọ iyeji na nchagbu abụsị na-achụ ndị amoosu. Ọ bụ na like ya bụ egwu jee na iTunes and the audio mark and rest of them at YouTube. Get download on your vehicle. We have all the rights. For some of you that are seeing me here for the first time, Eze-Ana ugochi tubelu na Oraifite maọbụ Kpọmaka Jugo abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochi tubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer, or a priest. My mission is to help people live better life. Here I malite this ọdịnala evangelist Igbo evangelism. Go ka ịkọwala ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ etu ihe ga-esiwo ha anya. Because if you lack the knowledge, you remain a slave. But if you are knowledgeable, you are a master. And I keep saying it, that what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. So, I guess you know, yes, but here also some name are Eziokwu again make it for no. That is our motto to liberate you. Yes. Isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị tata bụ why you must serve your master with clean hands. Why you must serve your master with clean hands. Pay attention today. Believe in me, you will learn something very unique. Something that will save you from all these challenges you are facing. Only all those challenges that you have been running helter-skelter looking for solution. Today, I come back and you are going to go through what you get. He will make a restitution. mee reparation and mee the appeasement ka iwe nwere onwe gị. Ihe niile abụrụ kabashin, ihe niile abụrụ deliverance. O nwere some certain restitution ị ga-eme na mmụọ e restore ihe ijide mgbe ka ị ghara ịdị indebted to anybody. So today's topic is why you must serve your master with clean hands. I'm gonna be. I'm not a privileged. When you're under the influence of my voice right now, you are blessed. I can tell you. I'm gonna do Ziagada, nada easy and nobody that the age maka choka message jada. And I can tell you, many will be regretted today. By just you know what. So he gave able tag your friends, well wishers. Some of your brothers that are into boy, servants, all those people, tag them. Mande serve, sigura serve, tag them. Kai we to ndị mmadụ na-abụ n'ụbọchị taa. Ka ị na-eme nke ka Chukwu nke pụrụ ime ihe na-egosi. Before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are still in the month of February. And the monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. Ajayi in Igbo, maka Igbo bike. We started this group ritual over 3 years now. We have massive testimonies, believe in me. But as you all know, in the temple, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Eze-Ana TV. You know why? It's not necessary. It's not why we're here. But I can tell you, Nike and Eze-Ana to Igbo, maka Igbo bike. One day, Chubakwa Aja, maka they carry all. So here I na-achọ ka ịkọwala gị ọ bụrụ na ị dị interested ihe ị ga-eme forward their 3 prayer requests a ga-edebe n'ọta na-achụ aja na-ekwubi okwu n'afa gị tiri ọnwa agwụ n'isi ụtụtụ ejego n'Imba temple chụọ aja kwubi okwu n'isi ndị friends of the temple, children of the temple and members of ordinary restoration evangelical mission all over the world. Anyị ga-achụgide nya bụ aja wee ruo the last day of this month. Anyị ga-egoro ihe ọnụ na-eli only wee jee mee saraka na mmiri gazie na-akpọ kalete ndị mmiri nye chụọ aja for favor n'aha mmadụ dum. We proceed back to the temple, offer our sacrifices to entities of powers in the temple. Jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo eburu wee mee saraka. So ọ bụrụ na ị dị interested isonye na ya bụ aja nke ọnwa maọbụ nke ọnwa na-abịanụ, maọbụ na ị nwere ajụjụ ị nwere na nkụzi ya, maọbụ na ịchọ ka agbaalụ gị afa miri emi, chat me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number bụ 0805-7837672. I repeat, 0805-7837672 or 0813-8243-871. I repeat, 0813-8243-871. Let's now proceed. Like I told you before, the topic of today is why you should serve your master with clean hands. Okay, ezi dị n'okwu ụkwa. I remember in Igbo culture, the Anambra people started Igba boy. Igba boy. That is apprenticeship. Up to now, even some higher institutions like Lagos Business School that are still studying the benefits of apprenticeship, otherwise known as Igba boy in Igbo culture, started from Anambra State. Under Anambra bidoro Igbo boy. Yes, and it is a system that really helped our people long past. Since after the war, Igbo man must survive. So ndị Anambra bidoro boy. And all that Igbo boy are we ihe melụ tinye ndị Anambra na world map of enterprise. The system works like this. Families, especially if they normally do it first child, it was a webido. Ezinụlọ na-abụ asị ka nwa izizi o nwere ike ọ meje akwụkwọ too much, o nwere ike ọ bụrụ mgbe o nwere ike ọ bụrụ ọgwụcha primary school, mgbe primary school nwetara ihe value ọ bụrụ na ọgwụcha primary school asị ka esi gị ya ka o je gbaa bọyị maka na diọkpara nọ ka nna, second nna of the family. So asị ka o je gbaa bọyị ka o wee nwee ike nwetaba ego on time after ka ọ gbachaa bọyị, in order to help to train his siblings. That is the mindset and the concept of ịgba bọyị. And I can tell you that that system, ịgba bọyị, the apprenticeship, have really turned lots of family around, especially in Anambra when it started. So it normally takes like between 5, 6, 7 years for your master to settle you. This period of time, what do you get? You get the knowledge, you get the trade, you understand the trade, you get the exposure, you get the contact. Yes. O nwere ihe a na-akpọ ịgba mmadụ ajiamụ those days. Ọ bụrụ na ị bịa bọyị, agba gị ajiamụ by senior apprentice. Ajiamụ is the exposure of your senior apprentice trying to expose you to their environment, their market, their area, that a new apprentice is in town. You know that? Example, let me give you an example what is Ajiamụ is all about. Because some of you will be hearing Ajiamụ, you don't understand what Ajiamụ is. You know, you are a new person in town. Maybe you people are into Toyota Pass, whatever. They have taught you then when you had a boot key, then with a brake pad, then with a lining, then with a rings, then with a metal. So once you come, maybe within few days, then they will like to expose you to the market that the new Ajiamụ is in town. That is, the new apprentice is in town. So one of the senior apprentices will ask you, Ifeanyi, you answer. Go to the line, because how they normally do it is that you go to the line and be asking for one item. So when you are passing on the line, announcing that is looking for, calling what you are looking for, anybody that has it will tell you, oh dear, come, I have it. Then see the price. Now, the person will ask you, who are you serving? Because you know in the market, they normally knows most of your gas. Especially calling your number and shop number. So when you now go, like senior boy might ask you, you don't know that there is nothing like a boot key or pickup. Example. They will ask you, go to the line and ask, be shouting. Anybody that has it will tell you. Boot key pickup, as in boot key pickup. Me and you, if you are novice, you don't know, but me and you that is already knowledgeable understand that pickup does not have boot key. But any other saloon, you understand, wagon used to have boot key, but pickup does not have. So that time I'm just using it as an example. They might ask you to go and look for boot key pickup. So by the time you are shouting, they will tell you to go to so lines. That if you are going, anybody that has it will tell you. So what you will believe that you will be shouting boot key pickup, boot key pickup. Then you will be going along those lines. And people will be laughing. And you will be bold saying what you are saying because your senior boy sent you. So you will go right around. Sometimes at a certain point, somebody will call you and ask you, are you new? He said yes. Which day did you come? Maybe he said like 2 or 3 days ago. It's okay. Go back to your shop. No, Ajiamụ ka na-agbanye. So so at that point in time, not that you just throw back to your shop. Then when you come back, everybody will start laughing. Understand? So That is to announce to the market people that the new Ajamu is in town. Are you getting me? New apprentice, that is what it means. So by so did everybody will know that you are new. That is the system, old days. So, and I'm sure they're still doing it, using modern ways of doing things, or asking you to go and ask for something that does not exist. By so doing, you expose yourself that actually you are new. So that is very fun anyway, it's very fun. Then the thing is that when you arrive in the market, see what you benefit from your master. Yes, you benefit the secret of that wisdom, because every business has secrets. You benefit the techniques. You can never use somebody that maybe your brother has money or your parents has money and they ask you to go to auto spare parts to go and learn trade. Yes, to go and learn trade, maybe 6 months. They will ask you to look for shop. They will fund you. You can never use such a person to compare somebody that did his apprenticeship in the market for 5, 6, 7 years. It's not possible. One, that person that did apprenticeship for 5, 6, 7 years has his mates, his senior colleagues, his junior colleagues, and they have seen so many people. Some of his mates becomes Oga in his face. He came maybe this year. Some of his mates will be settled next year, and some will be settled the next year. So before he will be settled, he must have had like 5 generations of his mates that becomes Oga. By so doing, he have interacted and deal with some of them at certain time. So by so doing, they have known him. When you are serving your Oga might be sometimes send you to another importer or another Oga. Go to Oga Chidon. Tell him that I sent you. Go and collect so and so from him. By then, Oga Chidon have marked you. Sometimes he might send you to Mike merchandise shop. And you go there, tell him that I, Ugo Enterprise sent you. So by so doing, Mike Enterprises, Mike merchandise have marked you as apprentice to Ugo. Are you getting me? So he's exposing you to some of his business partners, friends, and colleagues. Are you following? So within that period, they have to come across so many people. And the ones you settle well with that Oga, remember, while serving him, some people have marked you as his apprentice. So when you settle well with that Oga, believe in me, and you are still in the same business, you don't need any other introduction to those Oga. Because whatever they see you, they say, if I take him, I don't know, I settle going. And you know, when you are in the market, when you come to market, you greet everybody, greet all your Oga, greet the colleagues, your senior colleagues. Because in boy, they respect seniority. They were senior boy, we were junior boy. I remember when those days, the junior boys, they normally wear nika. Those 3/4 and rest of them. It's the only senior boys that wear trousers then. So by so doing, we'll be able to build chains of contact. Let me tell you, you will not know the value of contact if you are good. And because everybody, when you are serving your Oga with clear hands, people know. When you are serving your Oga and you are selling your Oga goods, of course, there are still bad elements that will buy those goods whenever you steal it from your Oga. Yes, they are buying that goods, but they know you're a criminal. they will never trust you. Even if your oga settle you tomorrow, they will not trust you because they know you are a penima. Are you following? What you are just doing is you are bastardizing your image that will hurt you tomorrow. Yes. Some of these things is the problem why after your oga settles you, nobody will agree to be doing business with you or will be giving you credit because you don't have good character. You are not a brand. So some of you boy, you are stealing from your oga. Your oga will send you to a warehouse. And if I carry key, warehouse key, go there and bring 3 items. You go there, you take 5. On your way coming back to the shop, you drop 2 to your partner in crime. Maybe some of these big ogas, sometimes some of them are not, don't actually know the quantity of goods they have in the shop. What they know is that they have finished. Another container is coming. I know what happened to one of my cousins. I am among the people that settled that case. What happened? This my cousin picked one of our relatives anyway. One of our relatives to serve him in Lagos. He's in computer village. He deals with musical instruments. So he brought this guy. He was so reluctant with the guy, thinking that this guy is his relative, our relatives. This guy is under 5 years, under 3 years. He's supposed under 3 years. And because he's our relative, our intention is like, let him serve like 5 years, he will be settled. Yes. So he's now, let's say, going to 3 years. Something happened. I don't want to call the whole story, but something happened. And that led to investigation. And we find out that this guy has multiple accounts with OPay. And they trace 2.5 million to an account. Then, during questioning, we now find out that he normally sends some certain money to someone to, above all, after much investigation, we recover 5 million back from him. Just 3 years. He has already started saving money. If you ask him, he's saying that he's saving money from Apricot or talking about those, but those things is lies. Apricot money might be there, but stealing money from Oga's goods is also there. For him, he thought he's wise, that he want to save this money. This is almost the same thing people normally had confided in me, that they stole their Oga money. I asked them, what is your intention? He said, I wanted to save the money so that whatever Oga gives him at the end of the apprenticeship, he will add it up because he want to meet up on time. Who told you that life works that way? It doesn't work that way. If I were that is the truth. It's not, see, let me tell you. Obasinachi. Or for that, say Obasineke. Karaka onye na-edu. Game when I say, Omade will kill Bakari Kiri Okuya also cannot run more than your shadow. It's just all about going. It's okay, Bakari chicken also. What Igbo says, and I quote, onye buruchi ụzọ gbagbuo onwe ya n'ọsọ. You do your best. Leave the rest to forces. Yes. What he needed from your master is the business acumen, the mentorship, the exposure, the contacts, the blessing. Do you hear me? This things I mentioned is the only thing you need from your God to succeed massively. It's not stealing from him. Let me tell you what you don't know. But let me just finish the story I was telling you. This my relative, what we do, that my cousin contacted me, told me what happened. Although my mother used to brief me because I used to discuss it as relatives anyway. Now I said, okay, what you I will advise you to do, and that is exactly what he did. After recovering that 5 million, and but we know that the money is more than that. But since we can recover only 5 million naira, over them 5 million naira. But what did he do again? I asked him to settle the boy. He settled the boy with few million naira. Yes. Then, but that's ends it. The blessing he does not get. The contact he does not get. The integrity he does not get. Huh? Because people, when the issue of this such nature arise, people had stories. Because when they are doing the investigation, we got some partners in crime. So the news spread in the market. Have you seen that his image is in shambles? His image has been bastardized. So for that reason, my cousin settled him. But for him to stay in that market will not help him, because the image has been bastardized. Nobody will like to be doing business with criminal. Are you following? So by so you can see that no one only made it. But had he been a serve this, I caught him very, very well, believe in me. I know, we settle him very well and give him more contact. He's an importer, he goes to China. He can easily give you a link. There is in this important, that what they call group page. He can say, okay, my boy, I'm settling you. Can you get money even to, as in, I will be giving you till you have money at least to get some partition in the container. That is how your guy you serve with clean hands will like you to stand, because it's a thing of honor that after serving, being in the business for 5-10 years, whenever you are doing something, some of you are boy, you settle that are doing well will be coming. Master, I came with this. 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 It's a thing of joy. It gladdens any organ. So every organ wants his boy to be doing well. Unless only in a service, but I can tell you, forget about his money. Let me tell you why you should avoid your gas money. Remember, Ogaga na achụ aja. And the get Ogaga Kuro, no, that was not the agreement. The agreement is for you to come and serve him, and he will settle you. Serve him. It's not for you to come and be sharing his money with him. It's for you to for him to mentor you, give you the acumen, give you all the contacts you need, train you in the business, and that's all. So because the agreement we assign that is the agreement. So whenever you deviate from that agreement and begin to steal his money to save, so whether the man make a declaration or not, you have committed. And remember, whatever even if the man did not see you, whatever chi on a bello, na forget. And the give one who will saboteur to his effort and to him more than Maria. So more will he keep dealing with you. And I know one man I know. Whenever I want to settle you, know what he prayers? Next have na ya ji ego na wee na-esetụrụ gị. Mana ọ bụrụ na ị sabụrụ ya ọfụma, etu ọ bụla isi sabụ ya na-etu a ka ndị ọzọ ga-esi wee sabụ gị, o were ego adị. Ị ghọtara ya? Ime ọnụ iyi ka o duru gị datin. Yes. Ọ kwa one man mma etu o si eme nke ya ma kpafie onye ọnọ na nkwọ ya amụ ya. Eza mgbe ahụ my brother nọ na nkwọ na-ejewe holidays emechi akwụkwọ. Ụmụ ihe ya na-edresi ka ọga, ụmụ ihe ya na-agba wristwatch, ụmụ ihe na-adị very clean. Ha nwa na-abụ the cleanest, as in ha na-edresi cha yiri pam. Then nna agwa gị ihe ya nna agwa gị ihe awụ ihe karịgolu 20 years. Okay, ihe karịgo 30 years. Ihe nna achịkọwara gị bụ ihe ọ gwara ụmụ boy ya bụ, don't save my money, don't save my money. But however, onwe customer daghachiri ya ego, were egoro ihe ị ga-eri, were egoro akwa ị ga-eyi, dị ọgọ n'anya, but don't save my money. This man na-agwa gị ụmụ boy na-anọ n'aka ya gbawa China. That is, o nwere ebe ị ga-asa abụrụ ya asị senior boy. O mere ya akwụkwọ China, ị na-eje China na-eje ahịa n'ahịa ya, je na company na ọ na-azụ ahịa, maka ọ bụrụ so na one of the rich men enwere then not to pass. Ama na the man ka dị ndụ now, but amazụ na ọ ka nọ into full time business. So ihe na-achịkọwara etu a ka o si eme nke, mana onye ọbụla o setụrụ ọfụma gị na ihe nwere problem ga-adị uwe. Mana izu ha na-egi ihe butere n'ọcha gị na imi n'ọnụ gị. Ghọtara ya? Because na a ga-ekpe gị ikpe na mmụọ, ọ bụrụ agreement gị na-eme. O nwere oge ị ga-apụta ọ sị gị na ịgba apriko. Ihe bụ apriko? Apriko abụghịkwa na ngwa ahịa o nwere na shop. Sị gị lee 10,000, ile 11,000, ti 1,000 na onye ori ga-ewu. Yes, ọ bụrụ ihe gị na ya kwuru. Ihe wa apriko bụ na ihe a na unu enwere ya na shop. Kọsọma ga ebe na shop wee sị gị ị nwere onye filter Passat, unu enwere isi aka ije wetara ya ebe ọzọ, ije wetara ya elesi gị ya 3,000, esi ya nọ 3,500, ọ gụọ 3,500 nye gị, iwejere ndị wejere 3,000 were 500 ka awa apriko. Ntị ọ dịkwa, that is your own. Ọ gaghị ụfọdụ ga-ahapụrụ gị were eje eme gịnị ka erie nri, were egoro dozie akpụkụ mere mmebi, were egoro akwa no problem. Mana nke a bụ nke shop ya, ọsọ ya bụrụ na ị na-erie karịa ego na ọsọ gị ihe etiri ego na drọ. Nọọ mmadụ nwa ọgụ na ewu na-ata, maka na adị abụọ nwere atụrụ ọsọ ngọrọngọ bụrụ onye ịtọ. Etu ahụ ọga m si gwa gị si mee ya, si etu a na-eme ka aka gị wee dị ọcha. Ị maka na ọ bụrụ na ịsa abụcha ọga gị bụrụ na iso na ndị zuru ego the man, then ego ebe a ana n'ego. Let me tell you what will shock you. Ego ebe a ana n'ego gị, ego ebe a ana n'ego gị, ihe gị na ya na ihe ọnọdụ ka ihe gị na ya na-azụ partnership. Ihe gị na ya na-eme gị na partnership, because that's your business. Also to go, mana ego a part of his money, no, na that's your business. Ihe ọnọdụ ka gị na ya na-eme o company kono na-azụ, because eziokwu na ọ dịrọ officially known, because mana ego para ego maybe before gbachara ya bụ onye save millions, onye kwa millions ibukọ ya ọrụ, all partner ka ọ na-azụ gị na ya nwe business ya. All because of na commit go kpatalụ na onye anwa ọ bụ na onye dị very diabolic ma ọ na onye dị occultic, he can manipulate you. Ọ ga na-ele claim na mmụọ n'ihi nwekwara ego ya chi na business. O nwere ike iche na ọ mara, so o nwere ike na-eme gị ị na-agba mbọ ị ma na-afụ ihe commensurate with mbọ ị na-agba. in one way or the other, your money will be, you will not be seeing the effort in they make. Because no, it may be more. It may be more because now he who must come to equity must come with clean hands. Itinye kwado ego ọga gị na ego ngwa ahịa ego business gị maka na ịma na ego a abụrụ ego gị. Yes. Also, ihe a nkọwara kịta so na one of the things na-eme ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ, they will be telling you, na from ebe na-asa agwa ọga m na nlọ, after he must have settled me years down the line, nke afụkọ ebe nọ na shop na-agbari ya mbọ as if na gị na ya na-azụ company. But if ebe ị nọ na shop ya na-agbari ya mbọ, ma ebe ị bịa afụ na shop ya na-emeri nke ma ọ na-emeri nke ọzọ, na-emekwa those house chores why they set to go years back. Also ihe na-asa akọsụ ya asịrọkwa nnọọ ha ncha mmanụ, some of them bụ onye akọsụrụ ya. What you don't know is that agreement ya nwụrụ mmel jee savụọ ya. So gị nwere onwe gị na-asa avụzi ya na-asa avụ onwe gị, ikpe amagokwa gị. Ka nkọwakwara ụgwọ ntịrị mara ihe na-eme na mmụọ. Ime na mmụọ a na-ebu ụzọ kpee ikpe na mmụọ. Ifurete esi ekpe ikpe na mmadụ, this way we normally you call your own lawyer, somebody call his own lawyer, then na mmụọ a na-ekpe ikpe till you find guilty. Etu a ka ọ dị na mmụọ. And ikpe ọbụla ekpere na mmụọ kpegbuo gị, maka na ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na ikpe m ọnụ agba ehuru. Enwere ike ekpesi ikpe a ikpe ama gị, even chi ha na mmụọ ọbụla na-eso gị ike agwụ gị. Igbe etu o si nwatakịrị na-achọ okwu chọgide okwu, nne na nna ya mana ọ na-achọ okwu, eburukwa ikpe bịa ọ sịghị nwa m eziokwu, ekpechi ikpe ikpe ama gị, nne na nna gị ga-adị offended, ihere gara eme. You are ashamed, you're ashamed. So they only get defended. We have an eye using more well, see better. Then if your destiny lies in the hands of whoever you offended. I want to say the year of them now you walk. Then so don't allow your destiny to be in the hands of your enemy. Don't allow your destiny to be in the hands of another person. Don't allow your future to be in the hands of another person. Because one day, monkey will go back and no go return. Because you don't know what will be the outcome, what will be the judgment of whoever that you are indebted to. That's some of the reason why some people will be serving somebody. Serve with the clean hands. Forget about the H-gap. Don't join fast lane. I can tell you for a fact. Don't join fast lane. Don't do it. Because if you start to do that thing, thinking that nature might have future tomorrow, you are playing with the gunpowder. All to use the opportunity you have today to build contacts. Let people have good stories to say about you. Let people have good stories, good memories about you. Let people be saying, this guy is a good guy. So that people will trust you whenever your organ settles you. I have seen where our organ is settled mad. Some of his friends, after the organ pronounced the amount he want to give the child, some of his friends began to write checks to support the master. Then minus even writing check to give you extra by his friends. Oh well, when your organ settle, so there's some organ. Once the one settle you, they will tell his friends that I want to settle my senior boy Eze-Ana. And even if some of them did not come that day, they settle you. Some of them will say, Eze-Ana, you are back. Your organ told me that he will settle you last December. He said, yes sir, I have been settled. He said, okay, Eze-Ana, tell you what I go shop. He said, yes, I want I'm lying shop on a F-line. I said, Eze-Ana, you won't know when we're here, Cholo. He be able to shop here. Can you hear? Do you think it is your own destiny? No. Is your guy that gave you the contact indirectly. Because if not that your guy, they are na bet against you. Anambra State, we are going to go boy na Lagos. Imamo Oga Jim Ike. That Oga Jim Ike will friend to your Oga. Because no your Oga na a good thing about you. At least we side there, serve you prudently. All young and belly, you Oga get a where Oga Jim Ike, but Oga Jim Ike you are saying fine. Now Oga what I said to go see a CIS. Or we say each on where give me a Bruna shop here, he let you what I go. It's no magic in a bed against you over Maria. Oh, Macana Sabro, we recommend because the mother boy every Ajamongo tomorrow. When they gave me Ajamongo tomorrow, Brody Gassi, okay, name Maconia, through social person, Campogri man, Onya, when they can't cross. By then, only will bad image. By then, it's only as soon on the name, you make a sin or get Sabu. I'm not going to jack out bastardize here in the Massacre. One of my advice will be happy ever speak. He need the serve your God with your open mind. Do your best. You can get him no one the way metama. Yes, I agree. But do your own bapuria. Yes. Na benya or ruku. And I can tell you, boho no bapugoro yama direct. Is not less than 8 boreholes. Then contact in those remain Mapuru Mobia. Manke Mapuru Ndoka on contact the Mapuru Kali short in the Bassett Joseph. Then I'm water. Nandozi. He recommend me. Oga saying no maka. I told him Oga handy big man or Rukuha on your contact. No. You see, they try about Boho, so you see, ya Paul Boho. Half what the Mamma, Apa Okana Zamba. I see your body upon Anthony. I bomb the phone, told my ringer. I see working behind a shop when you don't want to use about money. Because someone I'm good at that. I see a go there, or I see I see a go there catcher, a go them kuru, Kaoyanamo. What my petty na my proposal, my letter headed, the mobilization you are very good. I remember those days when you are the first person near more 1 million naira check. Now the first person near 1 million. Oh, now I'm telling I get mass mobilization. Oh, then they catch them. On they would want that one more who at center. Because the one of I between on me. When you're more than as my relationship with them and the Cadena. That was then. Till now. For till now. When we heard when I'm single. Because we still build personal relation. Only that my colleague now they was at the same time. Either in a field. All this year to have for that one my junior brother cannot at the field. You should go and be doing those jobs. But that personality, brand and bonding build the girl with. I gotta say, see what they go near. They go now on the show near now and they are more young or I was. You know, head in there. Yet not check while again. That man, one of the see where good history of me. Now, with your boy, fears and go to I'm never was here. As well as an hour for some God, I was in the set. But one make away cake of my history of my life without mentioning here. Because you can't tell the history of my life without remembering Eben Sibido. So his brand, building a brand. Building a brand, this is somebody that he doesn't know my house. He doesn't know my house. But even if naturally all see chief, I go the guy and say chief, you 2 million naira, but you 1 million naira. Or their check could be more soon be what they got. Because over time you have trust me. So the same way, build trust in your environment. In your boy. I can tell you, once you build through, come on to the here, you come on, you can at an antenna and him. Immoron is so and then I walk up because now short to go gaggy. But we didn't get put them where a warehouse. asị bute ngwa ahịa 5 paketi je bute 10 paketi dọji ya nke ọzọ. Ime ọ na ndị mmadụ ndị gị na ha na-emekọ biznes ya ga na-egbukwe ya n'azụ gị. Ịmarụ na ahịa ga na-akpọ ya ahịa awa. Ndị a gị na ha na-emekọ biznes a na-ekwu okwu mbọ inwere integrity, a ga-asị debe gị nwa n'iwe. They will not trust you. By then ya image ga na-emebi n'azụ. Ịmarụ ọ gaghị setụrụzie gị, onwere onye kwere ebi credit. Yes, maka onwere ibere business ma ị need support ndị nwere ike ibinye gị ahịa, imecha support ịkwụcha ụgwọ, imecha supply nye ha ego ha. Mana mgbe ndị mmadụ atụrụ ọsọrọ gị onwe onye na-ebinye gị ahịa niile ewetara ya ego, it's just a matter of time their business will crumble. And their business crumble esi na ọ gaghị mere gị, ma ọ bụ na onye nwa mere gị, ma ọ nọ ya uncle mere onwe ya mere gị, ọ gị ma mere onwe gị. I nwere integrity. So gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Serve Oga with clean hands and they shall be well with you. Ka ọ na-agọzi gị ka ụmụ mmụọ ndị ọzọ na-agọzi gị, ka forces of nature na-agọzi gị, because ha ma na na-serve plainly with clean hands. Ka ị ghara ịba n'ụgwọ, maka na ihe ọbụla ụgwọ ọbụla iji ị ga-akwụrịrị ya in creation. Ịkwụ ya na ndụ, ekwu ya na ndụ ọzọ. Finally, before I close, ọ bụrụ na ọ gaghị setụrụ gị na ịgbachara boy, remember what you benefited from the boy you went. Ndị Anambra gbagidoro boy, kwụsịsị ịgba. Ndị Enugu gbawa, ndị Ebonyi kịta nwa ọzọ chọrọ ịgba boy. Ụmụ onye ọra chọrọ ịba Yahoo na Yahoo Plus. That is the problem. Mana ana m achọ ịgwa na this system of apprenticeship really help ndị Igbo a very long time. Do you know that ị na-arụzi ọrụ kịta the POP the Matais ọ bụrụzie ndị Togo na-achị na-arụzi ọrụ ụmụ Igbo achọ ọzọ ịgba boy. So ihe na-achị kụwa bụ ọ bụrụ na ịgba boy gbaa with clean hands, ọ gaghị setụrụ oge. I will advise you, ọ bụrụ na o setụrụ chọọ ụlọ, bịa chọba ihe na-agba mme. Ọ bụrụ na unu ji ego bezọ na ego ji setụrụ gị, na unu ga-egotawu ewu, bịa ọnụ chọọ na ihe chọọ ọkpa 4 wee wejeri ya, wee kenee ya, gara aka n'ikwe akụkụ akụkụ. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nara gị that animal iji wee bịa, ọ nara gị ya, mmadụ na obi ya dị ọcha, ịghọtara ya, ọ ga-enyere gị aka wee strike a balance. Ọ bụrụ na anyị egotawu ihe chi ọkpa 4, eburu ma ọwa ewu, unu egoro ọkụkọ na ji wee nye, wee sị thank you. You get why? Ọ bụrụ na ọ nara ihe unu ma na obi dị ọcha, ọ bụrụ na ọsọ unu were ya naba ma na obi dị ọcha, e nwere reason ji si gị mee ya wee dị ka i wee strike a balance in creation, nke si nwee ihe imetara ọfụma. Ka nkwụsị ebe a, nwesị ajụjụ ị nwere maka nkụzi a nkụzi taa, chat me on WhatsApp 08057837672. I repeat 08057837672 or 0813 8243 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. Ọ bụrụ na ọnwa egboro ji eji wee chụ aja, emechaa na ọya ekwu ome. May the blessing of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May you be favored. May you be protected. May the work of your hands begin to yield fruit. May ka ha rabụ ndị niile nụrụ onu a tinye ihe ha n'ụta n'ọlụ. May their path be cleansed. May whatever they lost be restored. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe mgbe ike niile si n'aka ya. Udo dị n'ọnụ. Ọ dịkwa na echi niile. Daalụ.